Samuel Gashoki, Patrick Njogu, Christopher Kenyua, James Kefara, Peter Mwendia na Eliud Mwagi mahofanirio na miguongo ere ya Kirinyaga nuthu ya muigana wa ciringi mirioini 2.9 mweri muhituku thiini wa thoko ya Kimunye.
Eliud Mwagi Kenyua ikiwa tarehe 10
muthi atandatũ aya magikinyio mbere ya mucirithania wa igotini Leah Kabaria niguo gwitikira kana kuregana na thitango iria imang'etheire.
Nilipatikana na pembe za ndovu mbili zenye uzito wa kilo 4.5 mkizisafirisha kutumia gari registration number KBT 222T aina ya Prado.
Na thutha wa kuregana na thitango ici igotini nimarekereirio na mbondi ya ciringi mirioini 1 kana ciringi 500,000 Mbeca baribari.
The 6 accused persons are charged with dealing in wildlife trophy. Contrary to the Wildlife Conservation and Management Act, they have denied the charges. Now, this is a consideration of their release on bail and bond terms. I did call for pre-bail reports in regard to each accused, following an earlier objection by the prosecution on the granting of bail and bond terms.
Akirekereria itua riake mucirithania Kabaria ni augite faini ya mahitia ma kunyitikana na miguongo ya njogu ni ya iguru muno gikiarikio gitumi kia body gukorwo e iguru.
Right, now regarding the gravity of the offense, it is true the accused persons are charged for having wildlife trophy. If the charges were proved, then the penalties are very stiff. That the court must bear in mind, because where the charge is more serious and the punishment is more heavy, then the temptation to abscond is high. In determining what terms are appropriate, the court must then find a balance between protecting the liberty of the person.
Atandatũ aya nimarekereirio gugacoka igotini tariki 17 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.